I will show you how to add the description to your YouTube playlist. Firstly, open the necessary browser, you can do everything, and then open the youtube.com right up here. Be sure that you're logged in with your channel. Then open the menu bar in the right corner, and then go to YouTube Studio. By the way, they changed their design recently, so some things has changed. The next step is to go to content page, and then you can see that we can choose different options. So today we need our playlist and find the necessary one. For example, I want to add some description right up here. Then click edit on YouTube, and here we can change different options with it. So as you can see, there is no description yet, so to edit we just need to click on add description and write something. It's about Rome. So now the only one thing we have to do is just click on the save button, and that's all. We already changed the description to our playlist.